today's video, we'll be talking about personal finance, the instruments, what are the basic instruments around the personal finance, and how, as an individual, we can utilize them to the best of their abilities. So, the first financial instrument is a bank account. So as we know, a bank account is a mandatory tool for managing one's personal finances. So a saving account in any bank functioning in the country will give you a nominal interest rate of 4% or 6% in case of senior citizens, or in some select banks where the amount of money you're saving will get that interest. So the bank account will be the first door that should be knocked before when you enter the world of personal finance and saving and investments. So bank account is the gateway to the world of personal finance. The next thing comes up is a bank deposit. So all bank offer their customer a service called fixed deposits, in which a customer deposits a sum of money and they get a fixed interest rate per of that particular period of the duration they want to invest. So the rate of interest is volatile in nature. It keeps on changing. So you do your due diligence. You search in the market which banks are offering the best FD rates, and they keep changing on time to time. So you be sure that you are saving as per the best interest rate possible. Then comes at the public provident fund. So the public provident fund is a safe instrument tool supported by the central government. PPF account can be created by any bank in which you have your saving or salary account, irrespective of the bank, right? So PPF account is technically same no matter where it is opened. You will get the government backed scheme services, and the only challenge here is that it has long lock-in period, which is actually good, of 15 years. Then only your money will grow in some good amount. So currently the interest rate hovers around 7.1%, but earlier it used to be around 8% also. The next comes as equity stock markets. So equity is popularly known as share market. Is a complex investment method, I would say, in which an investor purchases a few shares of a company which grow over a period of time. So when the company grows, the stock value grows, and that's how you earn your money. So for example, anyone bought 10 shares of an XYZ company for rupees 1,000, and the company grew in like 6 months, 12 months, and the stock prices are now 1,500 rupees. So eventually you will sell your shares and then earn the 500 extra per share. In that way you will be making money, but in the same time you can lose money also. The company can not grow, it can go into losses, and your 1,000 rupee share can go as low as 500, or even maybe out of stock market also. So it all depends. So equity is a very risky financial instrument. You have to be very cautious while choosing which stocks you're investing in. The next comes as are much safer options in securities market is mutual funds. So it is also part of stock market. It's basically a collection of stocks managed by some fund managers. From each fund house we have fund managers who have the bucket of various stocks, and they then manage this fund for you. You just invest systematically here, and the core benefit of mutual fund is that if 3 companies show negative growth, but 8 companies in that bucket shows positive growth, your overall portfolio will grow positive. So mutual fund does not require an advanced level of knowledge of the stock market, so you can simply rely on the experienced and knowledgeable fund managers who are managing those funds. So these are very basic financial instruments. There are a lot of new terminologies coming up, but for anyone who is moving into this world for the first time, I would recommend this is the first stepping stone, and after that only you should take advanced investment models. But yeah, I hope in this video you'll be able to know some basic tips about personal finance, and wishing you a good journey.